Hello and welcome back to the Twins and me. It's another day at the allotment, and as you can probably see and hear, it's chucking it down, which wasn't on the forecast when we planned to come today. It's supposed to rain heavy all morning and then brighten up this afternoon, but we're just going to get it done. As you can see, I've got lots of cardboard boxes and some old bits of wood off of Chloe's old bed. So the cardboard boxes, we're going to be making some no dig beds. We've never done it before, so we hope we're doing it right. Mum's got a load of compost in her car, so mainly that's what we're going to be doing, is running compost and bits of wood backwards and forwards to the allotment. My dad's fixed the wheelbarrow, so that is doable. Yeah, so it's not going to be nice bright sunshine. We're going to get soaking wet, so we'll see how much we get done. So it's still chucking it down with rain, but we've covered this bed now in cardboard the best we can in the pouring rain, and then we're going to cover it with leaves, and then we're going to put compost on top of that. But I can't leave my camera out to film it because it's not waterproof. I've just been cutting back the trees, the fruit trees. I'll be completely honest, don't really know what we're doing, but we've watched a few videos and it said about cutting the branches that are crossing over or touching others, and ones that are going into the tree, so you need to create the airflow around the tree, I think. So anyway, it looks a bit tidier. I'll show you. I'm not sure if you can actually see, if I'm honest, but they're the ones I've cut off. So yeah, and I've cut off some of the older ones as well that I could tell were really old because of the that stuff that's growing on it. But again, whether that's the right thing to do or not, we'll find out, won't we, if we get any apples. So it's now 2 days after the last video clips because it just got too wet in the end. So we've come back today to finish off the other jobs, and it's not raining, but it's bloody freezing today. So we'll see how much we get done today.
No, I did it the other day.
It's a different kind of wood.
No, it's... Oh, yeah,
Maybe I'll speed this up. Yay! So this is our new masterpiece. This is going to be a, oh sorry about the road noise, a rather large compost bin. So we've made these three sides. We've got some other bits of wood that we're going to put along the front, but we need to just cut them down to size. And then we're going to put netting along the sides. We've got a staple gun that we're going to staple it to there so that all the stuff doesn't fall out. And so that's the start of our compost bin, and I'll show you our progress when we get further along. So an update on our compost bin. We've staple gun this netting to it just so it doesn't all fall through the big gaps, and my dad has nailed in, so it's all nailed together. Now we just need to start putting now everything we cut back and stuff in there, and then we're just going to put a little bit along there once it gets a bit fuller. So that's the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like it if you did, and subscribe, because I upload different allotment videos and how-to videos and other crafty, foodie videos as well. So if you like that kind of thing, then don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.